What's going on, you guys? It's Randy with Full Throttle Obsessions. Last week we ended up getting a flat on my trailer here. Go ahead and show you guys. You see we ended up putting a spare on the trailer. I ended up picking up the spare at Tractor Supply just to kind of get a spy for that day. Here's the tire. As you can see, we've done a number on it. We kind of we blew it out, and I didn't know it was flat. We kept driving with it. Someone was kind enough to pull up next to me and let me know I had a flat on the trailer. So we got this tire right here. It's got really good tread on it. It's been sitting in the garage. It's not cracked or weathered. It's got some good life in it. So we're going to be putting this tire on that rim to get a little bit more life out of it. And we're going to go ahead and show you guys how we're going to do that with basic hand tools. Let's go ahead and do it. Now the first thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to break that bead. How we're going to break the bead, we got this high lift jack on the bumper of my Jeep. Now you don't have to do it this way. You could always take a hammer and hit around the bead here and kind of drop it down. I particularly don't like that method, just in case you get a little tired or your aim is off. You end up smacking the lip of the rim and kind of damaging the rim. So this is my preferred way to do it. You can see I got the back of the high lift jack all the way back towards the bead right there. And we're going to put some pressure to it and go ahead and get it popped. Now we'll go ahead and get a little pressure to it. Put a little pressure. There we go. Went in and popped it. Drop it down. As you can see, once it's popped, it goes out pretty easy. Whoops. Now we'll go ahead and get that flipped to pop the back side. Make sure we're not going to hit the ram. We'll go down. There we go. Should be going any minute. There we go. The backside was a little stubborn. Here. Now what we're going to do, we're going to take our soap, which is nothing special. It's a soap solution. It's really just dish soap and water. We'll go ahead and put it around the rim. Just kind of soak it all down. Guess I should have put a bigger hole so it sprays better. Just get it kind of soaked up. All in here. Should be good. We'll get our tire tools. Now the main thing to remember at this point, there's a lip inside the rim that actually goes down at the deepest point. That's what you're going to aim on for the bead to slide in to give it enough flex for the tire to go over the rim. So we'll go ahead. We already got it lined up back here. Take our tire tools. Over the rim there. Right. Drop that piece down. try it again. There we go. All right, we grab one more bar. Just kind of help with this as I pull this tire bar out. There we go. Try to grab that little area right there. If I can get it in there. So we got a good bite. There we go. There we go. And another one like that. Now we're just going to take baby bites, get it over the rim. There we go. Oh yeah, now it's a cakewalk. We don't need those. How's that? There we go. Now we got to get a hammer. So now what we're going to do, we're going to stand the tire out. Now you guys can see the groove I was talking about. That's where you want to keep the bead. That way when you get it up, you can see there's a lot of rubber in there for the tire blue. But you keep it in that. That way you have enough rubber to flex over the bead. Get the bead off. So we're going to put that there. Grab one of these tire irons. This one. There we go. Okay. Should have put some soap on that. Oh, we're going to see how it works. Oh, well, guess that hammer wasn't very good. But you see we're getting off the rim. I got to grab another hammer. There we go. I got my good DeWalt hammer. I guess that's the first rule: make sure you have a good hammer. You don't want to catch that. That would hurt. Not sure how well you guys can see this. We'll go ahead and finish doing what we're doing here. Put this forward so the rim don't. Hopefully try to stop it from flopping on the concrete. It's gonna come out in a second here. Move the tire back. And voila, we got it off. Put that to the side. Probably should clean that up a bit, but we're gonna go ahead and scoop it pipe. It's not gonna matter too much. That there, that board. Kind of line you guys up. There we go. All right, we'll go ahead and grab the other tire. But just like that, but we're gonna grab the soap. Kind of put it on. I'm gonna make this hole a little bigger. Because it's whoa, it's definitely going to help. That's a lot better. Feed on. Just kind of hit the rim. Put it on. Hopefully it's warm enough to go on here. Got this one. Whoops. Well, that's not good. Maybe put a little muscle into it, I guess. And I don't think I like that. Let's see. Sure it ain't. I'll give it a shot. Wants to be stubborn. Trying to walk it now. All right, getting closer. There we go. Come on. Make sure we're still in that groove. Whoops, almost lost my glasses. There we go. All right. Almost got her. It does not want to go on there. There we go. Be a little easier too if I had a little help. There we go. Got the backside on. I take a little break and wipe off my glasses. Gives you guys a better shot there. Well, a little more soapy water. All right, hopefully the front side's a little easier. Now the trick is to keep it this lip in that groove to give you enough flex to flex the lip over the bead. There we go. Definitely going a little easier. Don't want to speak too soon. Oh yeah, a lot easier than the backside. There we go. All right, now all we got to do is put some air on it. Now this part could be a little tricky depending on the size of the tire and the rim. I'm not suspecting this to be difficult to mount on the bead just because the rim's only 7.5 inches wide and the tire's wide enough to kind of seat fairly easily. So we're just going to go ahead and put on the air nozzle. Oh, go ahead and grab the hose here and we'll go ahead and give it a try. Take off the valve stem first, or the cap. See if we can build some pressure to seat that bead. There we go. Nice. Let's put some air. We'll drop the pressure gauge. I'm going to go ahead and put these tires can handle about 75 pounds, but we're not going to run 75. We're going to run about 60. Yeah, we're about 40 pounds here. Almost there, about 50, 57. Fitting's leaking on that hose. 60, perfect. Now just to give you a little tip, just in case you ever have problems getting that seated on the bead, you can normally take the valve stem out and put a blower nozzle on it and blow some air just for a little more volume of air. And if that don't work, there's other ways to do it, some that aren't so safe, so I won't bother to mention those here. You just kind of have to look those up yourself because it does get kind of dangerous on some of these methods that some people use to get them mounted on the bead. Now it can be done safely, but I just don't recommend them because it is dangerous. And I hope you guys liked the video. You can really get that tire and rim on in about 10 minutes, 10, 15 minutes or so. Out here, I know normally places charge like 30 bucks to mount a tire. So you get yourself a good set of tire tools, get it mounted and they'll pay for themselves in no time. But as always, if you liked the video, please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.